Hi kids! This is Teacher Erica and welcome to Online Math Review. In this video, we're going to review for the first semester test. And again, for the parts of the test, we are already finished the part 1 and the part 2. And today in this video, we're going to review the part 3, which is the matching type, and that's for 15 points. And the part 4, it's all about problem solving, and that's also for 15 points. Now let's review addition of fractions. So we have the given 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. And let's write this way the fraction. Okay, and as you can see, the denominators are not the same. Unlike denominators, the 2 and 4 are the denominators in this given fractions. So our first step, or the first thing to do, is to make the denominators the same. That's how we can proceed to addition. So in this given number or fraction, we can convert this number 2 into 4, right? So let's write 1 over 2, and then think a number that when you multiply it to 2, it will give you 4. Okay, times 2. And whatever the number that you multiply to the denominator, you have to multiply the same number to the numerator. So times 2 as well here, right? So 1 times 2, 2. Okay, so this is now the new fraction with the new denominator. Alright, so from 1 over 2, it becomes 2 over 4. Now we can proceed to addition. We can add. So plus 1 over 4. Okay, we can now add because we now have the same denominator. Alright, so let's add the numerators. 2 plus 1, 3, and then just copy the denominator. So the answer is 3 over 4. Next, subtraction of fraction. We have here 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So as you can see, we have the same denominators. So we can just subtract right away, alright? So 1 minus 1, 0. And then just simply copy the denominator. Okay, you have to simplify your answer when necessary. So this time, we can simplify our answer. 0 divided by 4, 0. Alright, so the answer is 0. Next, subtraction of fractions. We have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. Alright, and this time, we don't have the same denominators. So again, the same what we did when we add the two fractions with the same or with unlike denominators. So we will solve the same way, okay? So 1 over 2, and then let's convert. Let's make this denominator the same, alright? So multiply by 2. So 1 times 2, 2. So this is now the new fraction with the new denominator. So from 1 over 2, it becomes 2 over 4. So now let's subtract. So minus 1 over 4. Alright, so 2 minus 1, 1. And just simply copy the denominator. So the answer is 1 over 4. Multiplication of fractions. So this one is just whatever the number, the same or not, the denominators, you can just multiply. Alright? So 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 4, 8. So the answer is 1 over 8. Fraction divided by a fraction. Okay, write the given fractions as 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So these are the given fractions or the given problem. Step 2, find the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, reciprocal meaning we have to switch the numerator and the denominator. So let's just switch the divisor. Okay, 1 over 2, and then so from 1 over 4 it becomes 4 over 1. Step 3, the reciprocal allows you to change the operation from division to multiplication. So 1 over 2 from division to multiplication. Next, multiply the fraction. So 1 times 4, 4. 2 times 1, 2. And the last step is to write the answer in simplest form. So 4 over 2 equals 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now please answer the part 3 in your task paper. Okay, for the part 4, Mali has 1 over 10 liters of soda in her jug. Then Somchai adds 2 over 5 liters of soda to it. But Ben takes away 1 over 7 liters of soda from Mali's jug. How much soda in liters is left in the jug? So L stands for liter or liters. Okay, I'm giving you the clue by just adding the colors to it, alright? So, fill in the blank first. Okay, the given. So, it's in color blue. So, what are you going to write here? It's 1 over 10. Please write 1 over 10 here. Okay. Next, Somchai adds 2 over 5 liters. Okay, so just write the fraction here. Okay, this fraction. Ben takes away blank, so just write this. Alright, the 1 over 7. And then for the number sentence, so I put it, I'm giving you the clue by just putting a color. Okay, so based on its color, just write the number 1 over 10, I mean the fraction, so 1 over 10, and then 2 over 5, and then for the yellow, 1 over 7, and this one is in red because that's your answer. So you have to add the two fractions first, and then after you add, you will subtract, and then this is your final answer. So whatever your answer here in this block, you will write it again in this block for the complete sentence of the answer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.